Hi, Dr. Fred Ray Librand here, sharing the top 12 tips we have for writing or teaching others how to write. Today's tip is number 10. It's a bit of an observation, but it starts changing the way you approach it if you understand this is what art is really about. And the tip is this: you need to understand that effective writing is about creating a whole other world. So if you're doing writing, and in particular fiction, but it's really true of all of them, you're creating another world, just like a work of art or a movie, etc. You know, an Avengers movie or some Hallmark drama, they're just different worlds and they have rules about how their worlds work. Well, you're doing the same thing. When you're engaged in writing, even an essay, but especially fiction, you're creating an entire universe, a world that has its own rules and holds together in a certain way and it operates a certain way. And we want to go visit that world with you. That's why we are going to be reading it. So if you understand that, you're not caught trying to make your world exactly match this one. And you know, people that do that, they go, oh, nobody could really do that. You know, Superman couldn't really fly. Well, of course not. He probably couldn't see through walls, and he probably didn't need to wear glasses when he was Clark Kent. Who cares? That's his world. Okay? So understand this principle that effective writing is about creating a whole number world, and don't be afraid to just go do it. It's the world you're creating, and I'd love to visit it someday for a little bit. Hope that helps.